Hello boys and girls, welcome back to another English language lesson for grade 7. And today we want to look at the simple future tense. Are you ready? Sit back, relax and enjoy. What is the future tense? Any of you like to think about the future? I know I love to think about the future. Right now I'm here and I'm already thinking, what will I do when I'm finished recording? So some of us, we like to think about the future. Now let's look at the future tense. Because as we know, when we talk about tense, we're talking about the time an action is expressed. Now, the future tense expresses an action that have not yet occurred or that will occur at a later time. The future tense of verbs expresses events or actions that have not yet happened and that will happen at some point in the future. For example, I will go. He will see. Now I want you to look at the image there on your screen. So we find that it is formed with the word will plus the base form of the verb. I will dance tomorrow. David will be late. So it always talks about something that has not yet occurred. All right? And if it's not yet occurred, we're talking about something in the future. Now, sometimes I want you to note that the simple future tense can be formed with the word shall along with the base form of the verb. But we mostly find the future tense being formed with will. To form the simple future, subject plus will plus the base form of verb. One way to describe what will happen in the future is to use the format will plus base verb. Example, she will finish her project next week. We have will, the base verb, finish. Since this action describes what will happen in the future, in this case next week, we use the future tense of the verb will finish. Now let's look at some examples of future tense sentences. Prediction. There will be rain tomorrow. What do we have? Will plus be. Arrangements. I am visiting his house tomorrow. What do we have? So we have something unique here. I'm visiting. Are you probably asking yourself how? Think about it. I am visiting his house tomorrow. Tomorrow speaks about the what? The future. So I am visiting works as well. So we have an exception. All right, let's continue. Plans. I am going to do an internship in May. What do we have again? I'm going. We have another exception there because what do we see? I. An action in progress. This time next month, I will be in London. We can't say I am be in London. That's grammatically incorrect, but it's I will be. So in some instances, we can use am along with the verb ending in ing. Fix the routine. He shall attend the lecture tomorrow, right? He shall, along with the base form of the word attend the lecture tomorrow, right? We have a question being asked. And a lot of times we find shall being used when there's a question. So that's a little hint there for you, or a little help when it comes to using shall. Here are some questions that can help you figure out whether or not you should use the future tense for your writing. Are you talking about something that hasn't happened yet? I will repeat that. Are you talking about something that hasn't happened yet? Are you trying to show a cause and effect situation that could occur? Are you trying to show a cause and effect situation that could occur? Are you making a prediction, assumption, or suggestion about the future? Are you making a prediction, assumption, or suggestion about the future? Now, you're going to fill in the blanks with an appropriate verb form. Are you ready? You know I love a good activity. Let's go. The phone is ringing. I something it. What is the answer? Will answer, answer, I'm answering. What do you think? Will answer. So let's read it. The phone is ringing. I will answer it. We have will along with the verb form answer. I something the tickets, but you have to buy the dinner. I something the tickets, but you have to buy the dinner. Will buy, would buy, should buy. What is your answer? Will buy. Very good. So we also have will along with the verb form buy. I will buy the tickets, but you have to buy the dinner. I think I something it. Buy, am buying, will buy. What is your answer? Will buy. No, we can't say I think I am buy it. No, I think I will buy it. So we have will along with the verb form buy. Second activity. Complete the following sentences using an appropriate verb form indicating the future. Complete the following sentences using an appropriate verb form indicating the future. Rani something, and we have in bracket, another baby in July. How can we complete this sentence using the correct verb form indicating the future? What is your answer? Will have. Rani will have another baby in July. It hasn't happened yet. Something, I carry your bag. What is your answer? Shall. Shall I carry a bag? I remember what I said earlier. Oftentimes we find that shall is used when a question is being asked. The train, something, at 6:30 tomorrow morning. And we have leave in bracket. What is your answer? Will leave. The train will leave at 6:30 tomorrow morning. Now I want to thank you for participating in class today. I hope you learned a lot about the future tense verb and you can practice it in your writing and not only your writing, in your speaking. Now until we meet again, I'm Sir Jared and I'm out.